In this video, I'll show you how to add animation to the image. There are a few ways to add animation, so I'll show you how it works. First, add the image to the timeline. So this case, we're gonna add keyframes onto the clips. So select this clip and move this playhead to the starting point, and add keyframe for scale and position for this time, and move this playhead to the end and make the image bigger, and also adjust the position like this. If you want to make the movements smoothly, you can do so by right clicking this keyframe and select this show variable speed animation, and you can select this auto curve, so it makes this image movement smoothly. So let's preview it. It moves like this. Next, we're gonna use this image. So there are 6 people in this image. So we're gonna add animation from left to right. So in this case, we're gonna make it bigger first, and then move a little bit to the right. Make sure not to show this black background, so you have to fit this image to the edge. And then add keyframe for position, and bring this playhead to the end, and then drag it, slide the image to the left like this. Make sure not to go up and down, so it's gonna wobble up and down, so you have to adjust the vertical position perfectly. And if you want to make it smoother, you can take the same steps to apply the keyframe by right clicking the keyframe. So let's preview it. Yeah, it moves side to side. Then the last one, we're gonna use this image. Before we apply keyframe, we're gonna make this bigger like this, and then add keyframe for scale and rotate for this time, and move the playhead to the end and make smaller, around 100%. And then this time we're gonna add the spinning animation on this image. So if this is the case, just click this rotate dial and spin it maybe 180 degree or 360 degree, whatever you want, like this. Maybe 180 degree. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching.